Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Store download pending problem. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The Play Store download pending is one of the main issues you could face while installing new apps on your Android device. When the error occurs, it causes your phone not to download any new apps. Anything that you try to download will remain pending regardless of what you do. In order to fix the issue, watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. One of the main reasons why your Play Store download gets stuck in download pending is because you have many of them already running on your device. To fix it, you can disable the installation and update for all of the apps. Simply launch your Google Play Store on your device and go and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now, tap on My Apps and Games. If you see any games or apps being updated currently, simply cancel their process by tapping the cross next to them. Another fix is to download over mobile data if Wi-Fi does not work. Try switching between your Wi-Fi or cellular data and vice versa, and then open the Google Play Store on your phone. In order to do that, go to your Play Store and tap on your profile picture at the upper right. From this page, tap on Settings and go to General. Select App Download Preference. Enable the Over Any Network option and then tap on Done. Now try to download an app from the store and it should work. Another way to fix this issue is to turn off any VPN app that is running on your device. The Play Store download pending issue could be caused by a VPN app as well. Since VPNs basically spoof your location, it may lead Google Play Store to think you aren't in a country where you should be according to your device, and it can pause your downloads as well. In that case, simply tap open your VPN that is currently running in the background and tap it on. Now, all you need to do is disable any VPN app on your phone and you should be good to go. Another way to fix this issue is to delete your Google Play Store data. Like any other apps on your device, the Play Store app also stores its configurations and settings in temporary files on your device. Sometimes this file could be the reason why you have issues in the Google Play Store. To fix it, launch the settings on your device by tapping it on. From the settings option, select Apps, and from all the list of the apps, go to Google Play Store. Once you do that, go to Storage under App Info. Clear Cache by tapping on the Clear Cache button at the bottom right and then tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. From the pop-up, select OK. Now go back to your Google Play Store and see if that fixes your issue. The last thing to do, if nothing else works, is to uninstall your Google Play Store updates. Go to Settings on your phone and then go to Apps. From the list of the apps, select Google Play Store one more time and in the App Info page, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. Tap on Uninstall Updates and then from the pop-up, select OK. After you do this, your app will be replaced with the factory version of Google Play Store. All of your data will be removed and now you can simply go back and update your Google Play Store one more time. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're having problem with the Google Play Store and the app you are trying to install is simply not being able to download and the status simply shows that it is pending and so on. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.